Hello, my name is Loretta Huff, and I'm applying for the core track of Transformational Leadership. I'd love to speak on your main stage if you're looking for main stage speakers as well. So why this topic matters to me is that I have a fundamental belief that every person comes into this life with a unique set of skills, abilities, and gifts. And my vision is that everyone recognizes their unique set of skills, abilities, and gifts, and that they're expressing them in pursuit of their highest sense of accomplishment, fulfillment, destiny, significance. And I intend for organizations to honor the gifts of their employees as they're pursuing compelling business goals. So what that creates are workplaces that are fun, fulfilling, and motivating. So I've written a book on the topic. It's called Leadership Without Limits, Inspiring the Best in Yourself, Your People, and Your Organization. It's founded on the transformational leadership qualities and illustrated by interviews that I've done with highly effective executives and entrepreneurs. So during the workshop, you're going to actually take a communication issue you may have been struggling with, and I'm going to walk you through how to make that a more effective approach, because my intent is that more people say yes to you. You'll come to appreciate the value of articulating your vision and values, and for understanding the vision and values of the people that you're engaged with. So you're going to learn the roles and behaviors that you must display if you're going to be an effective leader of teams. You'll also learn the 7 critical components of courageous leadership and outrageous growth, including the 6 leadership skills that create credibility, connection, and trust. So I look forward to seeing you in the workshop and helping you step into the biggest, best version of a leader that you can possibly be.